how to make money on people per hour as a voice actor. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So to get started, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People per Hour is a platform where you can showcase or where you can create a profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners that come to the platform looking for certain freelancers with certain skills to do some certain jobs for them or to hire them for some certain projects or gigs. So for example, if I was a business owner and I came here searching for a voice actor, I will just type the skill I'm searching for in the search and click on the search button, and here I'm going to see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill in the platform, and also I'm going to see how much they're getting paid per hour. And by clicking on the profile, I'm going to see their descriptions, the feedback that the clients gave them, and the stars that they've got, the likes, and the sales as well. So basically, I'm going to see everything that has happened to them in the platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile, your own profile, just like those people, in order to showcase your skill with them as well. So let's go back to the main page, and here go to the freelancer button in your top right and choose I want to work as a freelancer, then sign up with your email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and my password, and then log in. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start singing. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, and as an example here we have award-winning web developer, or we can go with voice actor. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with voice actor to see if that skill is available in the platform. So here, let's go with voice. So here we have voice over artist, voice acting. Let's go with that, and let's enter voice again. We have voice over artist, voice over, voice talent. Let's go with voice talent. Voice, let's choose male voice over. If you are a female, choose female, obviously. Interactive voice response, voice over, voice training, voice over, voice XML. So that's it for the skills. Then you proceed to the next section, which is the about you section. And guys, in here you're going to describe yourself to buyers. So in order to make a decent description where you're going to describe yourself, describe your previous work, and where you're going to convince clients or visitors to choose you over the other freelancers. So in here, we're going to check the other freelancers' descriptions in order to take an idea and to take inspiration from the descriptions, and in order to make a great description than the others, we need first to check the others' descriptions. So let's go to the search here, click on search freelancers, And here we're going to enter the skill we're searching for, voice actor, and go with all offers. And here we're going to see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill, and we're going to check some of these profiles. So let's check this one: record and produce up to 3 minutes of voice over, and she's getting paid $90 per hour. So let's check her profile. So she's got 814 sales and more than 400 likes, as you can see, or more than 400 people added this offer to their favorite. So let's read more about her description. So from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a short description and a well-organized description, and it's a decent form for your description. Some freelancers in the platform make a very long descriptions that you will need to scroll in order to see the other parts of their descriptions, and that's very bad, but this one is good. So let's start reading. Maybe you've heard me on your TV, maybe you've heard me on your radio. Chances are you've heard me somewhere before. I have worked as a voiceover artist for 10 years now, following a career in the film industry within the sound and music department, but it's in the vocal booth that I found my passion. Whatever it is you're looking for to give your project that boost, from character roles to corporate reads, give me a shout to see how I can help. Need it in a hurry? No problem. I aim to turn projects around within a few hours of our scheduled recording slot. So from the get-go, you'll see, or from the first paragraph, she's got a lot of questions, and that makes the clients want to read more. So here, let's read the second paragraph. I not only have the voice to get your brand message across, I also have the technical skills to record, edit, and produce all my own work in my own studio to an excellent standard. I can provide help on any technical problems you may have, and even help you work out scripts if you're not sure. If you'd like to see the films I have worked on, or browse my profile for my voice reel and other examples of my work. So this is a good inspiration for us in order to implement on our profile. And when you're ready to change your profile, go to this button, click on the profile in here, and then click on the edit button. Then you will be able to edit everything about your profile. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.